Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build wealth through stocks with eTrade detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by creating an eTrade account online. Visit the eTrade website and click on Open an account. Choose between an individual brokerage account or a retirement account. Fill out the necessary personal information, including your name, address, and social security number. Complete the financial and employment information sections. Review and accept trades terms and conditions. Verify your identity by uploading the required documents. Once your account is approved, log in to your eTrade dashboard. Explore the user-friendly interface to familiarize yourself with the tools available. Navigate to the research section to gather information on various stocks. Look for stocks that fit your investment strategy and risk tolerance. Use the *Trade Stock Screener to filter stocks based on specific criteria. Once you identify a stock, review its historical performance and financial health. Consider diversifying your portfolio by investing in multiple sectors. Decide how much money you want to invest in each stock. Place a market order for immediate purchase or a limit order to buy at a specific price. Monitor your investments regularly through the eTrade dashboard. Stay informed by following financial news and updates about your stocks. Re-evaluate your portfolio periodically to make adjustments as needed. Consider setting up an automatic investment plan to build wealth consistently over time. Utilize *Trade's educational resources to enhance your trading knowledge. Keep a long-term perspective to weather market fluctuations. Stay disciplined with your investment strategy to maximize your returns. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.